It's about time for you to learn Facebook advertising the right way. It doesn't matter if you run a well-established business or you are managing a startup. It doesn't matter how much of a budget you're working with. Like it or not, and believe it or not, the main way you can make people become aware of your company's brand, and eventually consume the products or services your company offers, is through advertising. Free advertising doesn't exist. Click the link below now to learn Facebook advertising the right way. Make it a great day. Let's put it this way, you can't be in two places at once. If you're spending all this time and effort trying to brand and promote your business the free way, what if you did something else that produces 10 times the result? You cannot ignore Facebook ads. Here's where my advice for you comes in. Asterisk, you will understand why to use Facebook ads. Asterisk, you will also know the downside of Facebook advertising. Asterisk, you will find out about the technology behind it. Asterisk, you will be able to leverage its highly sophisticated social snooping and personal profiling technology. Asterisk, you will learn step by step the different ad opportunities currently available on the Facebook ad platform. To make it easy, I've put together a step-by-step guide that will show you exactly how it's done. Click the link below now to learn more. Did you have a chance to check out my guide yet? If not, check the link in description again. No stones are left unturned when you get your hands on this now. You will become a complete expert on this, and you'll get everything you need inside to do the same. Here's just a quick preview of what you'll discover inside. Asterisk, why choose Facebook ads? Asterisk, the basics you need to know before creating your first Facebook ad campaign. Asterisk, how does Facebook's ad system operate? Asterisk, how to get started on your Facebook ad marketing campaign. Asterisk, create your Facebook page and account. Asterisk, use the Facebook Ads Manager. Asterisk, create a Facebook advertising campaign. Asterisk, create your ad. Asterisk, monitor your campaign carefully. Asterisk, effective Facebook advertising tips and ideas. Plus, a whole lot more. This is the easiest way to actually produce 10 times better results with Facebook ads. Who needs this step by step? If you answer yes to any of the below, you need this. If you answer yes to any of the below, you need this. Asterisk, you want to produce 10 times better results with traffic generation. Asterisk, you want to learn Facebook advertising the right way. Asterisk, you want to leverage the highly sophisticated social snooping and personal profiling technology Mark Zuckerberg brought to the table. Asterisk, you want to figuratively get in the head of your target audience. Asterisk, you want to show ads that match the concerns, fears, and needs of your target audience. Does this sound like exactly what you need? But maybe your question is, how much? If you were going to hire an expert on this, to show you how it's done, you could easily find yourself investing hundreds of dollars for this sort of coaching. In fact, many people invest hundreds and thousands of dollars to get into coaching programs or attend workshops. But you won't have to invest anywhere near that today. You'll also get these fast action bonuses. When you make the wise decision to grab this today, you'll also get these fast action bonuses. Fast action bonus number 1: Facebook ads cheat sheet, valued at $27. This cheat sheet is a handy checklist that makes it easy to get started. It breaks up the entire guide into easy to follow steps so that you can make sure you have all the highlights of everything covered inside right at your fingertips. Fast action bonus number 2: Facebook ads mind map, valued at $17. Some people learn better by looking at a mind map. The mind map gives you an overview of everything covered inside the guide. You can also print it out for quick reference anytime you need it. Fast action bonus number 3: Facebook ads resource guide, valued at $17. The resource guide gives you a quick point of reference to all of the resources mentioned throughout the guide. This makes it easy to plug in and stick with what you're looking for. Try this guide on my dime. There's no risk. There are a lot of people that claim to offer a solution on how to produce better results by using Facebook ads, so it's understandable if you're a little skeptical. I can keep telling you just how great my guide is, but you really need to go through it and see for yourself what it's all about to know if it's for you. That's why I'm going to give you a full 30 days to decide if this is for you. If for any reason, or no reason at all, you're not 100% satisfied with what's inside, simply send me an email, and I'll refund every penny of your tiny investment. No questions asked. Click the link below now to get instant access.